Hi everyone, I'm Lily and this is my brave 10-year-old Eason. So 2 years ago, we moved to the US from Shanghai, China. That time, Eason spoke almost no English. He was a bit shy, nervous, and unsure until I encouraged him to join the youth speech contest.
At first, I was scared, but the workshops taught me how to tell stories, how to speak in public. Mom helped me in rounds and rounds of practice, and guess what? I won an honorable mention.
Yeah, that first award wasn't just a prize. Actually, it unlocks his confidence. So now he raises his hand in class, shares ideas with his friends, and even sometimes debates with his teachers. So this year, when I told him the contest would come again, and he took a leap of faith and decided to join again.
You should try it too. It wasn't just about winning, it's about finding your voice.
Yeah, whether it's your children's first day or 100th days, this youth speech contest is your kids' chance to grow, to learn, and to shine. So join Eason and sign up today. See you there!